So you manage a rapid prototyping lab. Product designers and engineers rely on you to make accurate decisions about the future, today. That's why we're introducing the only single 3D printer that delivers full photorealistic color, a vast range of material properties, and breakthrough efficiency in workflow. The Stratasys J750 3D printer. It comes with the all-new Polyjet Studio software that's intuitive and easy to use, so you'll waste zero time before you print. The reimagined hardware provides unprecedented material versatility, so you'll print with the best aesthetics and functionality, and hundreds of thousands of color and material property options. Lead times, cost per part, the Stratasys J750 helps you cut them. You'll build concept models, whole product prototypes, and tooling on one system. Seriously, this thing does almost everything. And the super high material capacity virtually eliminates material changeovers, so you'll keep printing and printing and printing. The parts and prototypes you print will have a full range of color, consistent color, and detailed textures. And you'll print in Polyjet's highest resolution ever. The designers and engineers you serve, they'll be thrilled. Like buying you lunch thrilled. Because now they'll see the consequences of their design decisions in vivid detail before committing. Look, Stratasys has stood on the shoulders of its own geniuses to fulfill the promise of 3D printing. With the Stratasys J750 3D printer, Stratasys invents 3D printing again.